Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to invite an accountant to Freshbooks. This is a great way to give your accountant secure access to your financial data without sharing passwords, making tax season and bookkeeping much smoother. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to go to the Freshbooks website and log into your Freshbooks account. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Freshbooks dashboard. From here, locate the Team Members menu on the left navigation panel and click on it. This section is where you manage all the people who have access to your Freshbooks account, whether they're employees, contractors, or in this case, your accountant. Once you're in the Team Members section, you can view all the members currently associated with your Freshbooks account. Now, look towards the top right part of your screen and click on the Add Team Member button. This will open a small information window where you'll enter the basic details of the person you want to invite. You'll need to provide their first name, last name, and their email address. Make sure the email address is correct, as this is where the invitation will be sent. After filling in these details, click Add to proceed. After you've added your team member, you'll see them listed under the Team Members section. Click on their profile to open their information page. This is where you can manage their role and permissions within your Freshbooks account. To assign them as an accountant, look for the Role and Permissions section on this page. Under this section, you'll see an Invite button. Go ahead and click on it to continue. A new window will appear with different role options. Here, select the accountant role using the radio button. This role is specifically designed to give accountants the appropriate level of access they need to review your books, generate reports, and assist with your finances without being able to make certain changes that only you as the business owner should control. Once you've selected the accountant role, click on Send Invitation. An invitation will now be sent to the email address you entered earlier. Your accountant will receive this invitation in their inbox, and all you need to do is wait for them to accept it. Once they click the link in the invitation and follow the prompts to set up their access, they'll be added as an accountant in your Freshbooks account. They'll then have the permissions needed to help you manage your financial records efficiently. And that's it. You've successfully invited an accountant to your Freshbooks account, giving them the access they need to support your business finances. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.